Unexpectedly strong macroeconomic data from the United Kingdom has boosted both the British pound and the euro. Investors were mostly encouraged by the UK GDP data for the second quarter. Economists had expected a deeper drop of 23% after a decline of 1.7%. In fact, the economy contracted just by 21.7%. Of course, it's a significant fall, but analysts had forecast even worse figures. Moreover, the UK industrial production is recovering faster than expected. In June, the indicator advanced by 9.3%, while analysts had predicted a rise of 8.7%. As a result, on a yearly basis, a drop in industrial production slowed down to 12.5% from 20%. While the UK economic data beats forecasts, the Eurozone statistics is below the expected figures. This has kept the rise of the European currencies. Thus, economists had foreseen an advance of 10%. However, in fact, the Eurozone industrial production increased by 9.1%. As a result, on a yearly basis, the indicator shrank by 12.3% compared to a slump of 20.4% in the previous period. In other words, the Eurozone economy is recovering a bit slower than expected. At the moment, market participants are waiting for the US inflation data. The market may reverse amid the expectations of strong data. Such speculative movements are designed to maximize the potential profit in the event of a reversal at the time of data publication. Besides, there is no doubt that the US dollar will gain in value after the release of the data. According to the worst-case scenario, inflation may advance to 0.7% from 0.6%. However, yesterday's producer price figures point to a more significant rise. Thus, the greenback has all chances to recoup its losses and show a jump. According to the euro-dollar chart, the pair once again reached the area of 1.1700-1720. After that, it bounced. At the moment, everything depends on US. If the US statistical data meets the forecast, the mentioned rise may be replaced by a decline. The lower limit of the range of 1.1700-1910 is likely to be hit. Taking into account that the US dollar is oversold and markets are waiting for strong data, the pair may break the limits of the range of 1.1700 and 1910. In this case, the price is likely to start falling towards the level of 1.1650, 1600 and 1550. According to the alternative scenario, the euro-dollar will fluctuate within the range of 1.17. Buy positions can be opened above 1.1810 with a targeted level at 1.19. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair has been trading within the range of 1.3000 and 31.90 for 2 weeks in a row. The pair is trying to break the limits. Taking into account the fact that the greenback is oversold, the pair may start dropping towards 1.2900 and 28.85 if it fixes below 1.3000. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.